Hello everyone, welcome to the DREDGE II 10 GPU mining frame assembly guide video. First of all, we would like to thank everyone for your support and orders from our brand. Now let's see what's inside this box. There will be a total of 6 main components. 1. Bottom board. 2. Left stand board. 3. Right stand board. 4. Graphics card fixing rack. 5. Graphics card supporting rack with EVA foam. 6. Fans rack. There are also various parts for assembly such as screws and switch. It's time for us to assemble the DREDGE II 10 GPU mining frame. You can assemble it yourself in 10 minutes. So if you're ready, give it a go. Step 1. Fix power supply fixing pieces with bottom board. Step 2. Assemble the left stand board to the bottom board. You don't have to worry about assembly at all, because we designed every part to be very easy to assemble, by choosing to use all 6 angled screws for assembly. Step 3. Assemble the right stand board. If you're wondering which is the right one, you can also notice that in the lower corner there is a cutout. Step 4. Assemble the graphics card fixing rack. For assembly tips, we recommend not over tightening the screws, for easy assembly in other parts. Step 5. Install the EVA foam cushioning plate and assemble the graphics card bracket. Step 6. Assemble the fan rack. Final step. Tighten all screws for stability and strength. That's it, you have your very own mining frame. And if you're thinking of ways to save more space, the DREDGE II can be stacked on top of each other as well. We hope this guide was helpful, and helped you enjoy assembling the DREDGE II 10 GPU mining frame. See you next time. Thank you for watching.